Breaking the shackles of melancholy. Melancholy is a manifestation of human emotions, but prolonged melancholy can evolve into depression, becoming a pathological condition. The root of melancholy still lies in personal internal emotional issues. To put it frankly, anyone falling into melancholy is a result of personal inadequacy. If you can change your thought patterns and untie the knots within yourself, then the problem of melancholy ceases to exist in life. Overcoming the inadequacy of melancholy. The formation of depression stems from personal internal emotional issues, but the key lies in how to face and address these problems. To some extent, melancholy is an accumulation of emotions that can be untied. Changing thought patterns. Untying the knots. Inadequacy is not a permanent fate but can be overcome by changing thought patterns. A positive mindset and effective emotional management contribute to untangling those intricate knots. Finding the antidote in daily life. Getting rid of melancholy is not an instant process, but the key is to find the antidote in daily life. Through psychological adjustment and positive social relationships, you can gradually untie the knots and free yourself from the troubles of melancholy.